If you're from Africa, why are you white? Personally, I think that was a fairly valid question. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's October 3rd. And it's Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we wear pink. Before we jump in, I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today, for Vlogtober, y'all already know I had to do a pink makeup tutorial because it's October 3rd and it's Wednesday. Like, that's the stars aligning and telling me, Ebony, you need to do a pink makeup tutorial today for Vlogtober. Do it. So here I am, and here it is. So if you would like to see how to get this look, then keep watching. Thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos, because I upload videos every single day. Without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, be honest. Is the pink hair and the pink glasses and the pink eyes too much? Is it too much pink? Nah. So, I already have my base on. My base meaning foundation, powder, primer, all that stuff. So we're just gonna start right on the eyes because, baby, this is what you came for. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go into my Lunar Beauty palette from MUA, and of course I'm going to take my don't mind the destruction that is my life. I'm going to take my JH31, which is, no, my JH30, which is probably one of my favorite blending brushes of all time because it's thick. I'm gonna go into Kai Kai. It's this beautiful pink color because it's Wednesday and it's October 3rd. So that's gonna go in the crease. So today was it just went by so slow. Like, usually when I'm at work I can pass the time really easily, and today it's just like everything was moving in slow motion and I was not here for it. I need time to pick itself back up. Someone needs to give it a nice kick in the butt because I don't know if I can do that again. I'm so messy with my eyeshadow. Like, I care, but at the same time, I have faith that everything's gonna work out, you know? It's gonna look good either way. We're looking cute now. So now I'm going to take, so now I'm going to take this JH35 brush. There's a million blending brushes in this freaking collection. I've already said that before, but it still stands. And I'm gonna, oh, here it is. I'm going to take my Beauty Killer palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm going to dip into Star Power, which is this very vibrant pink. And the reason I'm using two different pinks from two different palettes is, number one, because I can. And number two, because this Jeffree Star pink, I think, is a little bit more vibrant than the Lunar Beauty pink. So I want to put that in the crease, and then I'll have more vibrant color on the eyelid. So we're going to dip into that. Oh yeah, that's definitely brighter. And that's gonna go on the lid. Honestly, on my skin tone, they might end up looking the same. But you guys, the effort was there, okay? It really, really was there. I might just have to build this up. I might have to pack it on. Oh, you can see it a little bit, the difference in color. Not much, but it's there. I'm also using a blending brush, which is going to make the color softer in general, but I like when the colors are soft. I'm not a packer, you know, in any sense of the word. Not for traveling, not for eyeshadow. I'm just not a packer. That's really bright. I'm liking it. So, who's excited for Halloween? It's like right around the corner. Don't come for me. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year. And aside from my birthday, it's one of the things that I wait for with like bated breath. I love Halloween. I do. I wish Halloween could be in summer, because then I would just love it even more. But it cannot. That's okay though. I still love it. Finally, we made it to the other side. I was thinking about doing some Halloween tutorials, but then at the same time, I feel like that's very overdone. And I would want to do something like really different and really unique, but then I'm like, what hasn't been done already, you know? Like, how many, you know, lion makeup tutorials are you gonna watch before you just do it, you know? I don't know, maybe I will, just for the fun of it, just because Halloween is my favorite time of year. And I do need stuff to do for Vlogtober, so if you guys have any requests for Vlogtober videos, send your girl some. Because I do have my 50 Random Facts series, which the next one will be going up tomorrow. But other than that, I'm so stumped as to like what I should do for Vlogtober. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Lunar Beauty Pink on the JH30 brush and just blend out the edges. Make sure everything is soft. Oh my god, I love pink. You guys know I love pink. I love pink. This is freaking cute. And it's really easy. Technically we've used one color, but I guess we've used two colors. Now I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, the OG Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to dip into Faint, which is a shimmery light pink shade, because every eye makeup look that I do has to have shimmer or it doesn't count. I'm gonna pack that onto the lid with my finger. How does that look? Ooh, okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go. We are going to pat this on like a good weave. I'm focusing it on this part of my lid, this front part here, and then I'll blend it out later. But for now, we just want to get that color, or the shimmer, It's more of a shimmer than a color on my lid. Now I'm gonna take JH30 brush again and just blend out this shimmer. Blend it so it don't look crazy. I'm just gonna blend to filth. So since we blended out that shimmer and it got into our crease a little bit, I'm going to take the JH35 brush, that brush we used for the pink. I'm gonna go back into the Jeffree Star palette and just clean up my crease a little bit because I don't want too much of that shimmer to be in the crease. We're just gonna cover that with the pink. And that'll add a little bit more depth to our crease. I remember when I first started doing YouTube and I first was doing makeup tutorials, I was so scared that people were gonna judge me. That, oh, like maybe I don't do makeup as well as some of the other YouTubers and they're gonna make fun of me. Now I'm just like, I don't care. Like, I know my makeup skills aren't like amazing, and there's a lot of YouTubers that are, you know, probably better than me, but I'm not on YouTube to be better than anyone. I'm on here to spread a message, spread love, spread positivity, and to do what I love, even if I'm not the best at it. And I'm so blown away that there's 50 people somewhere in the world who like what I have to offer. Like, that's really cool to me. So I'm just gonna go back in with the same brush that I've been using and just take a little bit more of that shimmer and put it on my lid, just cause why not? I love it. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. Most of y'all know that already. So now we're going to take mascara and we're gonna coat these lashes. So I did the top lashes with mascara, then realized I didn't do my waterline. So I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star palette and take that vibrant pink and put that on my waterline so that I look like I have a whole eye and not just half of one. Okay, so now that we have our face on, let's bronze it. So I think I lost my bronzing palette. No, I found it. Let's not panic, alright. So as always, I'm going to be, well, not always, actually I'm changing it. I'm going to take this color here and hit these cheekbones with a little color. Hit them with a little color. Oh, home on the range with deer and the antelope play. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Oh! Look at that. Okay. And we're gonna hit the forehead, and we're gonna hit the forehead. And let's get the jawline. Hit that jawline. trying to make up for the fact that we didn't put foundation on our neck. Oh, bronze queen. I'm convinced there might be something clinically wrong with me, but you know, we'll see. So we're gonna take the Lunar Beauty palette yet again, and we're gonna dip into Beat, which is this color, and that's actually gonna be our highlight because it's kind of like pinky, but I've seen people use it as a highlighter, so okay, she's cute. She'll do. Oh my goodness, it's kind of blinding. I don't think I put enough on this side. Did I put enough on that side? Am I beautiful yet? Yeah, I think I might have. So I'm just gonna blend it out a little. Huh. Oh, I like that. It's cute. Okay. Is that it? Lips? Yeah, let's do lips. I have to go eat it. I'll be right back. It's fine. Don't panic. So, the color that we're going to use today is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Lover. And this is like a dusty light pink. And this is the completed look. I really dig it, but then again, I really like pink, in case you were not aware. And on Wednesdays, we wear pink. I'm not a mean girl, though. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you always get notified when I upload new videos, because I upload videos every single day. And for Vlogtober, I'm uploading twice a day. It's kind of a big deal. If you are not following me on Twitter and Instagram, you should probably get on that, because I post a lot of stuff over there daily. Workouts, selfies, pictures of my dog, you know, all kinds of stuff is going on over there. So follow me at Beauty by Lapis if you are not already. If you are interested in becoming a Beauty by Lapis patron, then go ahead and click the link in my description box and see all the awesome perks that you get when you're one of my patrons. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Just in case you forgot. Okay. Bye, guys. Also, you should check out some of the stuff that's floating around my face. This cute face. Just click on that face and subscribe to my channel. Or click the button. That's cool too.